Well guys, I never really showed this thing in action. Today's the day. This is only really intended on doing the bigger pieces, making them manageable for splitting with the other splitter. Yeah, you can split everything with this, it's just kind of some goofing around. Let's get at it. I would have my windshield on, but the adhesive let go on the glass. Almost lost the glass. Now this is the kind of stuff that this thing is really good at. Don't have the best visibility from in the cab here when it's this real big stuff. It is a little heavy. Chipping away at it. Get it into manageable pieces that we could use with the smaller splitter. This isn't all that high quality of firewood here, but it's the only really big piece I had that I can show you guys. sometimes they don't go where you want them to go. Through the pile with this thing. Show you splitting up a smaller piece here. go through this, but it's got a pretty good grip on it. It's getting a little mucky out here. It's actually pretty warm out today. So dear, do you want to tell us about your first experience running that?
No. No, I do not. We're just not going to talk about that.
Yeah. Alrighty. So we got started without you guys a little bit. Each row in here is about a full cord. And we made about a full cord today so far, because there was still some left in here from last year. So we're going to get hammering away on this, see what we can get done. There's no way we're going to get this full today. Don't like splitting wood that much, but I'd like to get a fair amount done. So, enjoy. Well, the old WoodWitch didn't do too bad. It's got a little bit of a leak. I don't know what that is for sure. Never used to have that. But we got about 3 cord split today. Counting the junk stuff out here, that's pretty well unstackable, or like this stuff is kind of spongy like. I guess you'll have that though when your firewood sat logged up for 6, 7 years or so. Some of it's going to get a little rotten. I threw a bunch away already, but I have more in here to go through. Like, I'm pretty sure that fella right there, yeah, that one, he's probably dead. And the one with all the holes in, yeah, he's pretty much dead there too. Just about guarantee it. Oh, there's one laying over. Gonna have to go and mark some of these in the summertime, even though some are pretty obvious. I don't want to take them down if they're still good. The reason why I split mine up pretty small, this is one of the smallest boilers that Central Boiler makes. It doesn't have that big of a door and it can't hold that much. So when you split a little smaller, you can really stack them in there tight. Well, dear, what was your favorite part about splitting wood today?
Being done.
Come on, it wasn't that bad. You finally ready to tell them about your first experience with this splitter?
I was splitting it the wrong way.
You want to describe how you did that?
I had the cylinder out and I was trying to split it, pulling it back.
And this is after I told her to take it easy going in, because I made this. Link is up here. It's questionable. It weeps a little bit. The shaft's boogered up and whatnot. But yeah, so she called me up, said this thing ain't working. And she had to describe it to me a couple times before I believed what was going on. And then I told her, you have to move the hand control to the left to split. And she hung up the phone on me and wouldn't answer the rest of the day. So I was actually getting kind of worried about her. But she did a pretty good job, and she's run it a couple times since.
That's what happens when nobody like actually explains, like, and shows me first.
Sorry, dear. I still love you.
I love you too.
Well, thanks for watching, everyone. Join me next time. Take care and God bless. This was clean yesterday. You want to run them?